Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's begin with another lesson on German 5 golden rules of present tense. Let's start. First rules. If is am are is the only verb in the sentence, then we must use it. For example, who are you? Here are is the only verb in this sentence. We must use this verb. In Deutsch, wer bist du? Bist is the verb here. Second rules. Whenever is am are come with another verb, we must remove is am are from the sentence. For example, why are they playing? In this sentence, there are two verbs. Are is the helping verb and playing is the main verb. We must remove the helping verb are from the sentence. In Deutsch, warum spielen Sie? Spielen is the main verb here. Third rules. The verb should be at the second position. For example, what are you doing today? In this sentence also, there are two verbs. Are is the helping verb and doing is the main verb. We must remove the helping verb are. The main verb doing is sitting in the second position. In Deutsch, was machen Sie heute? Machen is the main verb and sitting in the second position. Fourth rules. Subject always sitting in the first and third position. For example, first example is where are you going? In this sentence, you is the subject. The subject you will be sitting in the third position. In Deutsch, wo gehen Sie? Sie is the subject. Second example, she is buying a lamp today. Here she is the subject. The subject she will sitting in the first position. In Deutsch, sie kauft eine Lampe heute. Here sie is the subject. Fifth rules. In WS question, the doer come always at the third position. For example, why are you come to Germany? In this sentence, doer is the you. The doer you will come in the third position. In Deutsch, warum kommst du nach Deutschland? Du is the doer here. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.